Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll teach you how to disconnect your Facebook and Instagram page from your business account. So if you have any issue with your business account and then you want to remove the pages you've connected to it, so this tutorial is for you. Just follow the process. The first step is you have to go to your Facebook page that you created for your brand or for your business. You have to go to the page and then you click on settings. So you go to the page settings here. So once you reach here, you scroll down to Instagram. So go to Instagram and then you disconnect the Instagram you've linked to your Facebook page. So you click on disconnect, then you disconnect it here. So once you've successfully disconnected it, now next step is you go to your business suite page. So the link is business.facebook.com. So it will direct you to your business account. And once you reach here, you go to your business settings. You click on your business settings. So you click on more business settings. So it will direct you here and then you scroll down to pages. Scroll down to pages and then you click on remove. So this step, you will have the access to remove your Facebook page from your business account. So you click on remove and then you remove it. So as you can see, Bobby Media doesn't have any page yet. So I've successfully removed my Facebook page from the business account. Now how to do it for Instagram account also. So you scroll down to Instagram account here, you click on it and then you click on remove here also. So once you click on it and then you click on remove Instagram account, so you wait till it loads. So you successfully remove your Instagram account from the business. So once you've done this, you have the access to connect your Facebook and Instagram page to another business account you wish to connect it to, and also you still have the access to connect it back to this business account. So that is how to do it. Thanks for watching my video.